It's time to go across the world to discover chicken with broccoli and rice. Ha 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 ha. Let's get started by chopping up this onion into big chunks. If you'd like to know more about how to slice and dice an onion, check out this video above. Break the big chunks apart and set aside in a bowl. I'm using chicken thighs for this recipe. Cut off the excess fat. A little fat is okay. Cut into small chunks and let's season this baby up. I seasoned the chicken with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cornstarch and baking powder, and soy sauce. Set aside to marinate in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Once your water has started to boil, add salt. Blanch the broccoli by adding it to the water upside down for 5 minutes. Take it out of the water. Rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. Cut the broccoli florets away from the stem. Let's heat up some sesame oil in our wok to saute the onions. Add in the chicken. And pour in the sauce. Stir the broccoli in and you know it's good. Would you like your chicken with broccoli with rice or noodles? Comment below.